Hey guys, hope you're doing well and enjoying the Christmas season. This week's cookie is a chocolate cookie, thumbprint cookie with a nice chocolate kiss right in the middle of it, and they are so good. I think I ate probably a dozen of them. So let's get right to how to make it. Using a stand mixer or a hand mixer, take 12 tablespoons of butter softened, 1.5 cups of sugar, and a half cup of light brown sugar tightly packed, and mix together. Scrape down the mixer very well. Then you're going to add your eggs one at a time. So you just put one egg in, let it mix and incorporate completely, and then add another egg, and so on until all 4 eggs have been mixed well. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix in well. In a separate bowl, you're going to whisk together 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of natural cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3/4 a teaspoon of salt, and mix this well. Now slowly you're going to add in your dry ingredients, and you're going to mix this very well until a dough forms. And about halfway through, you want to scrape down your mixer very well so that all ingredients are well mixed. Cover dough with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 4 hours. Then we're going to bring it back out and prepare to use a cookie scoop to scoop out the dough. Now the dough is going to be very sticky, so when you do scoop it, you may have to give it a little roll to put it into the powdered sugar. We're going to put them in the powdered sugar and then roll them really, really well in the powdered sugar, and then we're going to put them on our cookie sheet to bake. When you get a full cookie sheet, we're going to put those in the 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Now you want to make sure that you set a timer because you don't want to overbake these. When you take them out, let them sit for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we're going to take a kiss and push it in the center of each cookie. Now you want the cookies to completely cool on the baking sheet before you remove them. And like that, you've got this delicious, decadent chocolate cookie. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.